Yeah. Yeah. Lupus to the beat. I mean rapist, man. I'm just going motherfucking crazy insane. I fuck the beat up. I let him beat up. And baby girl, yeah, you regurgitate it up. Man, you spit it up. Let me simplify these words. And I can show you, girl, that I can rock the world. I can make it twirl. I can make that pussy swirl. Put it in my girl mouth and yeah, I can make it twirl. Yeah, I'm on that beat. Man, I'm fucking up these streets. Yeah, I set flames, man, but I'm not Waka Flocka beat. But I can do it like this. Why these bitches on my dick? And they already saying shit. Yeah, you the shit. Yeah, I'm hotter than the sun. Matter of fact, the fucking earth. And I can do it like this because I'm raw to the core. Yeah, I do it like this. Yeah, I said it before. And you already know, bitch, it's time to hit the door. So won't you just leave? Yeah, get up out my face because this is not the place where you do that type of way. Yeah, we got that hella smoke. Yeah, we blowing hella trees. Yeah, we smoking hella weed. Get it up and roll it up. And I can do it like this, like I told you before. Yeah, just roll it up and baby, watch it hit the floor. Yeah, you gon' pass out because I'm the fucking man. And I already told you, man, I am Uncle Sam. Cause I got these niggas on my motherfucking team, man. And I can show y'all niggas that I'm running the game. Like the PS3 or the motherfucking Wii. Nah, the motherfucking Xbox 360. Yeah, but like I said it before, and I'ma tell you again, I'ma say it some more. Yeah, I'm not the one, so please don't fade it. Matter of fact, I am the one, so please rephrase it. Yeah, I'm off my phrase and shit. Some motherfucking NBC type of shit. Yeah, I'm on that dateline, that motherfucking kick line, and motherfucking yeah, I can do it till I break, man. Yeah, I ain't going nowhere, that's where I'm at. And I can show you niggas that I'm on the fucking map. Matter of fact, I'm on your motherfucking atlas, nigga, yeah. Check your motherfucking atlas, nigga, yeah. On that beat, yeah. Bill Gates shit, but I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause I hate that shit. I'm just going to that beat, cause I fuck up this street. LLCRE, it's the motherfucking beast. Rest in peace to this beat, cause I just killed that shit. Yeah, hop up on my dick, yeah, you stupid little bitch. Yeah, my hip itch, you making my shit itch, and all I gotta say is fuck you, bitch. Yeah, I'm laughing at you fools, not on a motherfucking black and yellow strip of news. And my flow is not retarded, but I am so fucking knowledge. And I can show you, baby, how I fucking get started. Yeah, I can do it like that. I can do it like that. Baby girl, you said that I don't understand that. Yeah, switch it up and then I do that. Baby girl, put your arms out and then you do that. Now you on the beat while I'm fucking up the streets, so you already know I'm the motherfucking king nigga, king nigga, ping pong, tic tac toe, use trigger, yeah. Fucking figure how I do it, I kill it, baby girl, you already know that I'm the motherfucking killer. Not the playlist killer, but I can put you on my list, cause you was a little shorty, matter of fact, you was a bitch, yeah, you fucking with them bitch, ass dry, ass niggas, and I can show you good, I'ma bust them with the trigger, I get them out the way because these niggas in my face, and every time I see your bitch nigga, muscle every day, yeah. Because I don't fuck around. Don't let these niggas motherfucking bring me down. Because I don't need a beat, acapella flow, nigga. Yeah, I'm from DC.